In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change menu text in Wix Studio. Whether you're creating a brand new site or refining an existing one, knowing how to adjust your menu text is key to keeping your website user-friendly and polished. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to access your menu. To do this, open your Wix Studio editor. You'll see your website layout displayed right in front of you. It's here that you'll find the menu element you want to edit. You can usually spot it located near the top of your page. It's what guides your visitors to the different sections of your website. Click on this menu element to bring up the editing options. Now that you've accessed your menu, the next step is to edit a specific menu item. Hover over the menu item that you wish to rename. You'll notice a small menu appearing either above or next to it. Keep an eye out for the More Actions icon, which typically looks like 3 vertical dots situated right next to your menu item. Go ahead and click on these dots. This action will give you a drop-down list of options tailored to helping you customize your menu item. From this drop-down list, look out for the Rename Page option. Selecting this will open a text box that invites you to enter a new name for your menu item. This is your chance to get creative or make your navigation more intuitive for your site visitors, so think about the most appropriate name that fits the content of the page it links to. Once you've decided on the perfect name, simply type it into the text box. The final part of this process is quite simple yet crucial. After you've typed in the new name, it's time to set your changes in stone, or in code rather. Just press Enter, and your menu item will automatically update to display the new name you've just chosen. You'll see this reflected immediately in the Wix Studio editor, giving you real-time feedback on how your changes will appear to visitors of your site. Changing menu texts can have a significant impact on the navigation and overall user experience of your site. It's a quick task, but one that greatly enhances the clarity and professionalism of your website. Should you want to rename multiple items, you can follow the same easy steps for each one. And there you have it. A clear, step-by-step guide to changing menu text in Wix Studio. Feel free to re-watch any part of this video if you missed a step or want to see it again. Thanks for joining me, and best of luck with your website customization. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Happy editing!